channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking into another airdrop that just came out. This airdrop is just 6 days old, so I'm going to be showing you on how to start mining this airdrop. So the name of this airdrop is ZAICHAIN, and ZAICHAIN is a token that we're going to be mining. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to mine this airdrop. So to start with this airdrop, the link is going to be under the description box. Once you click the link is going to take you to Play Store where you're going to download it, or you can go to your Play Store directly to search for it and download it. Play Store, the next thing for you to do is just to search for this ZAICHAIN here. So once you search for it, now you're just going to download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. Now the next thing for me is just to open it now. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to verify your account and start mining. Register and verify your account and start mining. So once you open and come to the airdrop, now you're just going to see this. The next thing, you just need to come over to this place, the sign up. You just come to this place over here, the first place you're seeing your first name. You just put in your first name, and the place you're seeing your last name, you just put in your last name, put in your email. Then the next place for you to come over here is to come over to this place, this phone number. Then once you get the verification code, you just need to put in here, and you just need to come over to this place and verify your email. And once you're done with your verification of the email, the next thing for you to do is to just put in the referral code, and this is going to be the referral code. The reason why you need to put the referral code is because when you put in the referral code, you're going to get one of their token now. So you need to get the one token, so you need to put in. After putting, you just need to click on this submit. But before I forget, if in case you're unable to get the verification code, the next thing you just need to do is just need to come to your spam folder over here, and once you click over here, you're going to just see your referral code here. You're just going to see the code over here. You just need to copy the code and go back and put it and verify. So once you're done with verification, now the next thing for you to do is just to start mining. Once you come over here, you click on start mining, and once you're done, you're going to start mining, and maybe you can come over here and go through their white paper. Come over here, you're just going to see their white paper. You just go through the white paper. Then and the next thing again, another thing again, maybe if you refer, your referrals are not going to be showing over here because of, since they are just starting, their app is not yet steady. Your referral is not going to be staying over here, but you don't need to worry yourself. Maybe in the meantime, as you keep on updating their app, you're going to be seeing our referrals over here, and your mining is going to be mining over here. You're going to see everything that you mine over here. So that is just all about this airdrop. So I just pray you just start on time, because you know when airdrops are out like this, when you start on time, you'll be able to mine faster. So I just pray we just start on time, and I pray at the end of the day it's going to bring value to us, because it's not about mining, but it's all about making the money, so we are going to get our value. So that is just all about this airdrop. And please, if you find value in this airdrop, please don't forget to like this. Please don't forget to like, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to share, and I'm going to see you in our next video. Thank you and have a blessed day.